Have you outgrown your CPA? Chances are you may have, because over the years, we as humans, business owners, can get complacent. And that goes for the same as your CPA. Maybe they are not growing with the new tax code. Maybe they should have retired years ago. So I'm going to list a few things that you should be aware of and the things that you want to make sure you ask going forward when you are shopping for a new CPA. So in the past, have you found mistakes in your taxes? This is a huge red flag, right? If your CPA is making tax mistakes, you definitely need a new one. This is a problem. And another thing to talk about is your business. Has your business grown? Have you gotten into different areas that CPA is no longer an expert in? These are things that you've got to ask yourself and them. What if you do have questions for them and the firm doesn't get back to you in a timely manner, answers emails, or they have excuses for things that they did when you did find those mistakes? All of these are problems that you must address, because if you're finding the problems now, they're going to get worse over time. And that's something that you just don't want to deal with. Now, let's say you have done everything that you can do as far as giving the information to them in a timely manner, and they don't complete your taxes for that year, and you end up going past the due date and you have extension fees and all the other things, the problems that come with not filing on time. 100%, you need to go ahead and get a new CPA. Now, one of my personal stories when I was shopping for a new one, was our values weren't aligned. And the example that I'm talking about right now is I no longer believe in debt. When I was making the transition, the CPA that I had believed in debt. When I learned about it, for me in my personal life and in my business, I made sure that I was never going to go into debt again for anything. Now, my CPA didn't get that same information, and they believed in debt. Also know that this CPA had filed bankruptcy a few decades before. So their financial advice was questionable at best. So our values no longer aligned. That was why I shopped for a new CPA, an accountant. This is very important. Now, this doesn't have to be around debt. You may be on the same page, but values can be around anything. It could be around family. It could be around work. Whatever your values are, they must be in alignment with those that work for you. Now, make sure you pick that up. Those in your corner that you give money to work for you. This goes for your accountant, your lawyer, and anyone else on your business team. They work for you. Financial advisors, coaches, and all of these must be asked as well. Have you outgrown them? You may have outgrown your coach. You may have outgrown your financial advisor, your lawyer. All of these things must be asked, because ultimately, no one cares as much about your financial future than you do. No one, not even myself. I want you to win so badly, but really, it's up to you. At the end of the day, you are the ultimate decider. So you got to ask yourself, have you outgrown your CPA or anyone else in your life? And that could be as relationable down to friends and family. Make sure you ask those questions. I look forward to hearing what you have to say, and have a beautiful day.